trapped inside this iron cage. Silent screams beneath the rage. Wings clipped tight by human hands, but fire burns, it understands. Thunderbird breaking free tonight, stronger than the storm's wild fight. Cage melts down, the chains undone, rising high it greets the sun. Fury sparks within its soul, lightning strikes to make it whole. No more walls, no more pain, Thunderbird flies wild again. Skyward bound, the spirit soars, echoes loud from distant shores. Born to roar, born to be, Thunderbird.